The submittal process can be overwhelming for teams to gather all details and specifications to be reviewed and approved. Information and timing is critical at this stage and requires a seamless process. With Kahua's Package Submittals app, you can efficiently create and move submittals through the review and approval process. Teams can ensure proper and timely arrival of equipment and material to the job site confidently. In the Package Submittals app, you can create a view that organizes all your package submittals, grouped by CSI code. They can also be color-coded by status. Columns can be added for assignees and official reviewers with the ability to indicate revision status and how many revisions there are within each packaged submittal. Looking at an example with a re-roofing submittal, you can see all the levels of detailed information needed for this packaged submittal. You're also able to create a work package that will automatically route this submittal to the correct parties who are primary or secondary responders. You can include any CSI code information or notes associated with this packaged submittal. Kahua allows for third-party or consultant reviewers in the approval process. All submittal dates are populated as the packaged submittal is routed through the Kahua workflow. Submittal items needed and associated with this packaged submittal are outlined as well. Once all the information is entered, you can simply request the submission, and this will be sent off to the contractor. From the view of the submitting vendor, a task list outlines all items in their court to complete across all projects. You can click through the task list to the submittal package, which shows the detailed information the owner's representative sent to be completed. This includes the description of the submittal and the name of the submittal coordinator. The next set of fields allows you to enter all submittal items as associated with this submittal package. You can also see if previous revisions are included. You can click through a submittal and then enter the subject and description, any reasons, or locations. You can also include lead time, manufacturer, or any other detailed information that needs to be communicated, like submittal dates or revisions. All supporting documentation can be entered as well. Once completed, you can simply click Submit and the submittal will be routed automatically to the correct person in the workflow. From the Submittal Coordinator view, they can see that the vendor has submitted their submittal package. Inside this submittal package, they can take a look at all of the PDF attachments that the vendor has included, as well as any other comments. Once sufficiently reviewed, they can submit to the review team. As a member of the design team, it's time to review the submittal. You can view your task list and see a submittal package in your court to complete. By simply clicking on this task, it will then jump to the submittal package for review. Reviewing this submittal includes detailed information that has been entered along the way, including the work package, submittal coordinator and vendors, CSI codes, any consultant reviewer and responses, and all the applicable submittal dates. Scrolling down, you can see the third-party consultant has already reviewed and approved the submittal and has attached markups to this record. You can also see all the submittal dates that have been auto-populated. Comment fields allow to add any comments to be made as part of this submittal and previous revisions that may be needed to review for what has changed along the way or needed to be changed. Finally, you can review and mark up this product data submittal. Once in the submittal, you can go ahead and make markups, including drawing a cloud around the specified color, as well as stamping the submittal. When utilizing the stamp feature for the submittal, the responses will auto-populate based on the product information. At this point, you have now finished reviewing this submittal and can respond back to the vendor. You can close out this submittal from your task list by simply clicking the Respond button. Within the Kahua platform, you have the ability to access embedded analytics, which includes a portfolio or program view of all your packaged submittals. This quick view shows submittal packages by status, submittal items by status, and all vendors sending these submittals. Utilizing the Power BI dashboards, you can slice and dice information however you need to see it. As a project manager, you can filter by project name, vendor, or a different status to track the submittals. Information in this dashboard is updated in real time across projects and portfolio. Kahua's native dashboard app is also available and more tactical in nature. These dashboards roll up information and can be organized based on what you're waiting for at each stage of the process to submit, review, approve, and more. Drill into any of the widgets when you log on in the morning for more information about status of submittals right from this screen.